Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You are looking with me on 2001 Toyota Tacoma SR5. This is the 4-door version, which is also called pre-runner. I'm performing detailed detail inspection on this vehicle, right? This one is equipped with this 3.4 liter, right? The famous V6. The model is 5VZFE, and I want to show you in this very short but important video how looks correct fan clutch, right? It's a cooling fan clutch. So we have a radiator right here, which is probably still original, hard to believe, right? But it's in the good shape, no leaks. And the part of cooling is this cooling fan, and that's attached to the cooling fan clutch. That clutch basically makes sure that it's spinning correctly, right, with the RPM, but also when you start it up and you accelerate, the fan is not directly copying the RPM of the engine. There needs to be slight slippage. But if it was slipping too much, it will not work and the cooling will not work, right? So this is how basically you see how you test the clutch. If I was able to spin it around, that will be too much slippage and that clutch will need to be replaced. And as you can see here, this is not new. This is already in the vehicle for a while. But look, when I try to spin it, look, it's not running even half turn. It's not running basically nothing, right? I'm trying really abruptly give it spin, but it's not doing anything. And this is, my friend, good cooling fan clutch. And if you want to check yours, please make absolutely sure that nobody will start it up, right, while you are testing your clutch. So observe the safety. You don't want to lose your fingers because somebody was in the cabin and just decided to start the engine. And that was another really quick video to give you idea, if you are interested doing your own maintenance, what it's supposed to look like and what is healthy cooling fan clutch. Thank you for watching today, and be subscribed. Have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.